If you're a van lifer like us, chances are you use the popular app iOverlander to find everything from boondocking sites to campgrounds to dump stations and rest areas, so much more. Well, this popular app has undergone some serious changes as of late. Find out what you can expect in our next SqWatch Dog Adventures. Hi, I'm Jolynn with SqWatch Dog Adventures. You know, Brad's taking the day off, but I wanted to hop on here and let you know about some important updates happening with the iOverlander app. As of April 30th, iOverlander officially shut down its legacy app, the original app. If you try to open the old version now and look at the map, you'll notice the icons are gone. Nothing shows up. The free legacy version just doesn't work anymore. But don't fear, iOverlander 2 is here. Let's talk about what's new, starting with the free version. So the free version of iOverlander 2 has some pros and cons. Of course, pro number one is it's still free, no payments required to get started. But when you log into iOverlander 2, you're going to see ads running across the top, like this one for Pluto TV. And if you ask me, some of these ads can get a little annoying. Also, with the free version, you can only download one region at a time. So here's how that works. I downloaded Oregon so I can see all of the camping sites, places where you can get some potable water, take a shower, all those things, all the different icons in the state of Oregon. Also, it spills over a little bit into the border states, like into Washington. But if I want to go up north into Washington, I'm going to strike out. I'm basically out of luck. So here I am up in the Bremerton area and I see absolutely nothing. Also, if I try to download Washington State, I get an error that says it isn't possible, that I need a subscription because you can only download one state or one region at a time, and this would make it two. But here's my workaround. Go to the three lines up in the upper left-hand corner. Go to Download Places. And then go to My Places, and you can see that I have Oregon downloaded under My Places. If I click on the three dots to the right-hand side and click Delete, I will get rid of Oregon. Now all I have to do is go to Places, and then I can go down to Washington, and I can download that. And as you can see, when I go to My Places, I now have Washington downloaded. Go back to the three lines at the top of the left-hand corner, hit Explore, and now you can see all of the different icons up in Washington State, throughout the state of Washington. But if I go back down into Oregon, I'm going to get a big nothing. Also worth noting, you cannot search in the free version. So when I tap on the search button in the top right-hand corner, it says that I need a subscription in order to search. So that's another downer. Okay, now let's break down what you get with the Pro and the Unlimited version. So under the Pro plan, you get 3 offline maps and places at a time. You also get premium maps like satellite topo and even dark mode if at night you don't want these glaring lights just shining in your face. Also, you can get search and filter features, no ads, which is cool. And this one for the Pro plan is $5.99 a month. And if you want to do it on an annual basis, that's $59.99 a year. So you basically save $1 a month with the annual plan. You also get 1 free week trial under the annual plan. So let's look at the unlimited plan. You get everything in Pro, plus you get unlimited maps and places. You can download large areas, even whole countries. And that one is $9.99 a month. Or if you want to do the annual plan, it's $99.99 a year. You also get a 1-week free trial with that one. So it's not exactly cheap for a crowdsourced app, if you ask me. Ah, but here's a little known tip. There is a workaround that gives you all of the benefits of the unlimited version for free. If you go to iOverlander.com and use the web-based version, you're going to get access to everything the Unlimited app offers. All of the icons, all of the maps, the location details, everything completely free. So when you're here at iOverlander.com, go to Explore. You can browse the map. You can browse by country. You can search for places. Let's browse by map. And here you can see that there are a number of things that are available in both Washington, Idaho. We can zoom out and we can go on over to Nebraska and we can go and zoom in and we can find all sorts of things there as well. Like, let's see what this is. Oh, look at that. It's a rest area. Let's go back out and let's go over here by Medicine Bow. And here we can see there's a number of camping spots available, all by using the web-based version, iOverlander.com. So that means you can explore all of the camping spots, the boondocking sites, the rest areas, the water fills, you name it, right from your desktop or mobile browser without paying a cent. So if you're okay with planning ahead, or if you have internet access when you're browsing, the web version is a fantastic alternative to the paid app subscription. Now here's something that's pretty cool too. iOverlander offers free subscriptions to contributors who add quality new places, check-ins, or corrections. And you can find out more information on their website at iOverlander.com. Just go to About and then go to the Rewards program. And here you'll find all of the information on iOverlander rewards. But here's the catch. They don't tell you how many points you need or how many you've earned. They say it's to discourage spammy submissions. And if you qualify, you'll get an email from them. So here's my take. I understand the developers needed to upgrade the system, and they do deserve to be paid for their work. But I hope that they're not cutting off their nose to spite their face. This app was built by the community, and it's always stood out because of the shared knowledge and the boots on the ground reports. But for me, even one or two good boondocking sites found through the iOverland app pays for the subscription. But with other apps like The Dirt, Campendium, and Seeker offering similar info, I do wonder if users will jump ship. My big question is, will enough of the community stick around and keep contributing, or will iOverlander start to lose its edge? So what do you think? Have you tried the new iOverlander app? Are you sticking with it, or are you trying something else? Love for you to drop your thoughts in the comments section down below. And if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and we would love for you to subscribe to our channel. We drop a new video every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. And also, don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video and you're notified when the next one comes out. Until then, happy trails.